Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to use the Pitot tube apparatus in order to calculate the velocity of any fluid. So this is the Pitot tube apparatus, as you can see. So in the Pitot tube, this is the inlet through which you will enter your desired fluid like water, and this is the inlet, and the water will come in this pipe. And now this is the Pitot tube, this one. As you can see, this is a like L shape, and here it is bent with 90 degree. So when the water comes from this inlet in this pipe, so it will enter through this Pitot tube and will convert from here the kinetic energy of water into the potential energy, and will rise in this pipe and will come to here. And this is the measuring tubes. One is the tube for the fluids to that comes from the Pitot tube, and the other pipe, this one is measuring the level of water when it is coming from this side. From this pipe, it is just on the inside wall of this main pipe. So this is the measure the static pressure, and this measure the gauge pressure. So through this you can measure the level of water, the difference to measure the H, and that H will be used in the formula to calculate the velocity. And this is the outlet pipe through which the water will exit from the apparatus with certain velocity. So from here you can adjust the level of the Pitot tube. So from these screws you can adjust the position of the Pitot tube. So the water will come in these pipes to these tubes, and they are gauges. Here you can measure the level of water, the difference between the static head and the gauge pressure, absolute pressure and the gauge pressure. So this is a very commonly apparatus used in the laboratory to measure the velocity, and this apparatus has been developed by the Pitot to measure the velocity of fluid. So once you calculate the H from here, then you will measure the velocity by putting that H in the formula, and the formula is equal to velocity is equal to CV. CV is the coefficient of the Pitot tube coefficient, and multiplied by 2GH under the root. So by using that formula you can easily calculate the velocity of the fluid in the Pitot apparatus. So this was all about the Pitot tube, and now if you have any question you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. And also in the Pitot tube apparatus, the function of this valve is used to remove the water that has been trapped in the tubes. So this valve is used to remove that airs from the tubes. So in order to get the accurate value of the difference in the heads. So thank you for watching this video.